Shahid, Kyumi, icon, hands down, right hand up, students over. I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse Taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. Hands up. Now 5 tenets of Taekwondo: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. Jimmy. Hello my dear students. So before going to learn techniques or before going to practice the movements or techniques, so we will finish warm-up exercise. Okay. So ready? It should be. Okay. First we will start with the jumping test. Okay. First our colleague will going to show you the jumping test. Okay. Stand attention. Okay. Stand attention like this. Okay. Jump. You can see jump. Okay. He is going to perform 20 jumping tests. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So you can see. Okay. This is jumping again. If you want, you can do more. Okay. So just he performed only 20. So now second one is high knee action. Okay. So you can see hands. Okay. Keep your hands like this. Yeah. So he is going to touch his knee to his hands here, palm. So that's called high knee action. Ready? Only 20. Start. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Start. So this is called high knee action. Okay. So now we'll go for butt kick. So butt kick means you have to turn one side. You have to keep your hands like this in your butt. So here you have to go. You should go for. You have to use leg to kick here. You can see 20 counts. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. So now you go for inside touch. Okay. What you should do? You have to keep your hands inside like this. Okay. So you have to touch your heel to opposite hand. So right leg to left hand and left leg to right hand. You can see. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. So these all exercises you can do for warm up. Okay. So you can observe. Later you can see your heart rate will be increasing or heart rate will be increasing. So first you finish this all warm up exercise. Then go for some stretching exercise. Okay. Hands on the hip. Okay. You can do for hand rotation. Show hand rotation. Right. Start. Hand rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The side like this. 1. Okay. To the side. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. Now touch your toes and push it in front. Start. 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now keep your hands like this and go for regular squat. Okay. You can say this is called regular squat. Okay. You can see now. 1. Yeah. Don't sit full. Okay. Half. 1. Yeah. 2. It's very good for your thighs. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So just for showing purpose, we are showing just 5 or 6 like that. Okay. So I want you people repeat all the exercise minimum 10 times. Okay. Minimum 10 times. So now I am going to show lunges now. Okay. Lunges. Turn that side. Okay. So lunges means what you should do. You have to keep your body straight like this, and you have to keep your hands here, or you can keep your hands on the hip. So when you are keeping one leg back, both hands should go up. Like 1 up. Okay. You should not supposed to keep your knees down. Back. Okay. 2 up and back. Okay. Simple. Hands down. 1. Yes. Back. 2, 3, 4. Wait. Okay, you can see here. Okay. Knee and your this front part of your knee and back part of heel should be in a straight line. See, you should not supposed to touch your knees down. Okay. Down. And here in this position, your hip and your shoulder should be in a straight line. Even your ears also. Okay. Come back. Once again. 1. Back. 2. Back. 3. back, 4, back. It's a nice exercise for your thighs. Okay. Now hands on hip. Go for stretching now. Yeah. Put your palms down. You go as much as down or as possible as down, and later you have to keep your hand palms down like this. So in this position, go for the push-up. 1. Look straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I told you I'm making you do only 5. Okay, you have to minimum you have to do 10 times. So after this exercise, you have to keep your elbows down now, and you are staying in this position for 10 counts. Start. 1, 2. Don't bend it. Keep your legs straight. 3, 4, 5. You can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get up. Okay, hands on hip now. Very good, nice. Hip rotation like this. 1, 2. After this exercise, you have to go for hip rotation. Okay, to make your waist part free, hip free. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. So now, we are. So after this warm up exercise and stretching exercise, if you want, you can go for the raising kicks. Okay. Just we are going to show you just only 3 raising kicks. Okay. You can see already. To be right leg back. Right leg back. 1. Here. Right leg back. 1. Here. Yeah. Shout loudly, louder. To be more power. Right leg back. Fighting stance. 1. Here. Yeah. Okay. So front raise. We are going to show you only 3 raising kicks. Okay. Each leg 3 times. You can see. Ready. Body straight. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Change. Yeah. Ready. 1. Yeah, good. 2, 3. Yeah. Change. So yeah. I want you people should do each 10 times. Okay, 10 times. Okay, so you have to feel you have to go for proper stretching in your legs. So that's why you try it 10 times. So now you are going to perform cross raising. Okay, 1. Yeah. 2, 3. Yeah, don't get it. Okay. Other leg. Okay. 1. Body should be straight. Leg should be straight. 2, 3. Change. Now we go third, last one. Okay. This is called side raising kick, right? Side raising kick. Okay. Yeah. This is the last one. Side raising kick. Okay. You can see now. Ready. 1. Yeah. 2. Do as possible, children. Okay. In beginning, do as possible. Last one. 3. Change. So you can observe here when he's going to turn his hip. So what he will do? He will turn his feet for 180 degree. Then he will raise his leg. Again he come back. You can see here. Ready? 1. Yeah. 2. Yeah. 3. Yeah. Jubi. So after this you can go for some push-ups. Okay. So he is going to show you only 5 push-ups. So I want you people to try minimum 10. Palms down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, very good. Okay, children. I hope you clearly this all technique. Okay. So let's go for the techniques now. Techniques or movements now. Okay, children. Okay, children. So now we are going to practice or we are going to learn one step sparring 5 and 6. Okay. So first we will start with the one step sparring 5th one. Okay. So ready? Jumbi, Chidit, Kingi. Turn this side. Chidit, Kingi. Jumbi. So first I am going to attack to Vikram sir. So he is going to defense. It's very simple. Okay. First attack Jumbi. So I will open up with a shout. Okay. Open up. 1, So I open up with a shout, and even he shouted. I shouted for. So that means I'm ready for attack. Okay. So he's shouting for. So he's ready for defense. Okay. Once again, you can see now. Shout properly. Open one. Okay. So now I'm going to do the attack. Go one. So you can see I went for. So when I went for the first step, one step, moving forward with the walking stance front middle punch, and he shifted to the his right side. Okay, you have to shift the right side. So after that shifting, you have to go for left leg front kick one. Yeah. After right leg turning kick two. And left hand reverse punch. Here.
Yeah.
Once again to be. So one more time. Open one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it. Once again. Ready? Open one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Julie. So this is one shot sparring, fifth one. So now we are going to practice one shot sparring, sixth one. Okay. So same again. Take on. So you can see first what you should do. So he is going to attack same. Okay. So now he is going to attack, and I am going to defense. One shot sparring, sixth one. So what you should do in sixth one? Julie, open up one.
Here.
So he's same, okay, and see. Here. So now he's going to attack one. So what I'm doing here, I'm shifting my left leg towards left side, okay, and I'm blocking with the knife and block. You can see knife and block. So okay, once again to me. Once again, ready? Open one.
Here.
One. Okay, you can see after this, you have to catch his hand here, and you see I have already shifted my left leg towards left side, and I go for the right leg knee kick. Okay, so what, that time you will bend like this. So again you keep your leg here, and you grab his neck, and you take him down. Okay, and you lock your leg to his hip. Okay, and after this you can turn his head. Or you can take your hand here and you can hold. You can see I'm locking badly. Okay, this lock, and here you have to twist his head. Here. Okay, once again. We are going to show you once again. Okay. Now same thing we will show in this from this direction. Okay. Open one.
Here.
One. Okay. So here you can see I shifted my left leg here. One. Take his, okay, and take him down here. Lock your leg and here. Okay, children. So this is, I hope you clear with the one shot sparring first and one shot sparring fifth and sixth. Okay. So if you practicing with a partner, you should be careful. Okay, you twist head slowly. Don't twist really. Okay, slowly as possible. Means like don't twist hardly. Okay, and just you should be like just practice. Okay, you should be careful with the partner. If you're practicing alone, it's okay, no problem. Okay, children, all the best. This time to cooling down exercise. Okay, so now let's start to cooling down. So first it comes here. Same, okay, last whatever we did, same thing will repeat again. Hands on hip, same thing for stretching. Okay, put your palms down, put it more down. Yeah, okay, now sit back. So last week we did this, you touch the toes and come back. No, so instead of that, what we will do, do like a swimming like this. Okay, and come back. Maybe one, you can observe it. Yeah. Okay, try to touch your chest to ground. Two. Yeah. Keep it back straight. 3. As possible, children, okay, keep it in your mind as possible. 4. The same you can do outside like this, okay. 1. Yeah. 2. 3. 4. 5. So we are showing only 5 counts, okay. You have to do 10 or 15, okay. You can see. Ready? Hands like this. So 1 this side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so join your legs, take your leg in, we'll go for, like in this position, we'll go for trunk twist. Ready? Touch 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Same exercise again, okay? So this should be 90-degree angle, okay? Your knee and this heel should be in a 90-degree angle. You have to make a 90-degree angle here. Once again, ready? Same. 1, 2, 3. See the behind. 4, 5. Okay, very good. Okay. So I hope you're clear with this. You do this 10 to 15 time, okay? Minimum you do 10 time. We are showing 5 we showed here 5 time. So I want you to try minimum 10 time, if possible 15 time, okay? Okay children? Okay, turn your left, knit your dresses, check your belt, okay? Turn the side, Chirit, Kingi, icon, most step back, both your classes icon, and both your classes icon. All the best children, practice nicely and stay home and stay safe. Bye children.